Here at the Magic Kingdom. However, there's a little twist to this. We are not going straight to the Magic Kingdom. We're going to the Wilderness Lodge, I think.
Yeah, we'll walk around the Magic Kingdom.
Okay. All right, Magic Kingdom first, then Wilderness Lodge. Nice. And here we are. This is where magic reigns, 24/7. 365 days a week. The Magic Kingdom, baby. The Cinderella Castle, and it definitely has a lot to brag about. That's right, never gets old. Nothing going on yet, but there will be very shortly. In 15 minutes, this place will be jumping. Yeah, it's really early. We got time to walk around, and that's it. That's pretty much what's going to happen. Oh, we are off. We're officially going in this time to get ready for day 2 here at the Magic Kingdom. That's what you gotta love. That is true. Woohoo! I think this might be the first ride we're going on. Pirates of the Caribbean, baby. Let's do it. Ride down, and now we're gonna go ride the Haunted Mansion ride. Yeah, this is a lot of fun. Town Hall. Yep. 999 Happy Haunts. There's room for one more. Yeah, you know the story about this. Yep, I do, and future Disney fans will too. Okay. Sea Splash Mountain? How rare! Well, because the ride's not even open yet. Huh. Whoever's the first rider is the first group of riders that will get wet. Hall of Presidents, because the Haunted Mansion wasn't open. Yep, this is the place where you get to see Trump. After a long wait, you're finally getting to see Trump. How great is that? We're officially online to get on the Haunted Mansion. Yep. 999 Happy Haunts once again, and there's room to complete the trek for 1,000. Yeah, beautiful view here. And I think this might be like the last attraction before we'll go to the Wilderness Lodge to eat and take a break from the park. Haunted Mansion open for visitation. Scary stuff. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Wow. Then we go to the Wilderness Lodge. I think we might be debating whether or not we'll be done with the park after this. We will see. Thunder Mountain Railroad still proves why it's one of Magic Kingdom's can't misses. It is great. Woo! I think we can go back to the Wilderness Lodge now. Wow. That was a lot of fun. Woo! Gotta love that. Yeah. Back to Adventureland we go. Yep, Frontierland. And its Western themes, Liberty Square, keeping its patriotism alive and well. And now we go back to the place where there's a lot of swashbuckling. Right there. Yep, right there. Right. Main Street, USA. Well, at least this Magic Kingdom trip was better than the Hex trip from the middle. That was a trip they would like to forget, as opposed to wanting to remember for a long time. Yep, Walt Disney's childhood, and he just envisioned it. And look at him now, he's a legend. Bye, Magic Kingdom, and hello to an empty boat. Wow, this is nice. All to ourselves. Alright, the Wilderness Lodge. Now this is a hotel with a unique theme, unlike any other. Pretty good. There's another hotel in the California Adventure that's just like this. And this has a little bit of a Pacific Northwest theme. They must have really loved going to the trees when it all inspired this. And I love it. Yeah. Some of the best waterfalls out there. That's why families love to stay here. Yeah, going down the path of so much fun. Selling by the springs. Too bad it's not in Disney Springs. Ha ha ha. That's great. Look at the view of this lake. It's so perfect. And we get to eat it at a new place today. Yeah, I think I might be getting the number 5 here. Looks good. And really relaxing. So got a good theme here. It's really themed after all the views of the Northwest. And I love it. Really good. Hey, doggy. Oh yeah, the duck. You need a visit by the duck to make this a Disney trip, in my opinion. It's good to see you, little theme. Key lime cupcake, exclusively for Florida. All right, that was great. Now it's off to where we go next. Maybe we have to go back to the hotel and finish that online orientation I'm gonna do. And I think this might be where we're going. But we'll see. Oh, beautiful lobby here. Waiting to check into your room. Yep, it's for my Tavi team captain job coming up. And you get to lead students around campus and see what Call's life and introduce them to Call's life. And that's what I'm doing. It's coming next month. But now it's all about Disney. Yep, so let's make the best of it. Good old Fort Wilderness. The trail of Fort Wilderness, that is. The path that takes you from the resort to the campground. Brings hints of nature to the scene. And that's great. Yeah, they like to have more tongue action, more eating action after they eat. Yep, that looks nice there. Here we go, Magic Kingdom round 2. Let's do this. Woo-hoo. I think we might be heading to the incredibly taken over and all over the place Incredibles town here at Tomorrowland. Maybe they should call it the Incredibles land instead of Tomorrowland, because Tomorrowland is becoming a thing in the past. Well, no matter what happens, you gotta support what this place is doing. It's really nice. Oh yeah, I like the music. The Incredible Tomorrowland Expo is what they're calling it. What an incredible summer this is. It's incredible. Really long line at this People Mover ride. This might take up some time here. But fortunately, the line's moving. Yeah, quality air conditioning in Space Mountain. It's a nice break from the heat for sure, and the arcade is also worth it too. Go check it out. Ride the ride or not, it's worth a try. Alright, now the next place quest on our visit to cool down and take a break from the heat is a great big beautiful tomorrow. It has not changed a bit since it opened a long time ago. Yeah, the Incredible stage. Super. Fantasyland. It's very humid. It's a typical summer day. Packed with people. Wow. Well, at least we got a little bit of wind going on. That's the good news. Bad news, it might be the only case of outside coolness we might get for today. Let's just enjoy it while it lasts, alright? Here we go, the Briar Patch. Last Magic Kingdom highlight, and then we can be done. This heat just really it's really just eating us alive. It's humid, but it's still better than nothing at all. Fortunately, there will be no Briar Patch today. The ride is closed because of weather, and I don't know if there might be a few ways to get to the railroad, so we can just go to the bus in order to go back to in order to go home. I'm back to the resort, that is. Oh well. All right, so it gets us back to plain old walking. Unfortunately, due to adverse weather conditions, our parting time is now. See you real soon, Magic Kingdom. Thank you for keeping us company. Unfortunately, we just can't go on Splash Mountain under such adverse conditions with thunder and lightning in the area. Well, still good day overall, and still better than doing absolutely nothing to kill the time here at Disney's Magic Kingdom, Disney World, man. Woo! All right, it's time to say goodbye to the Magic Kingdom area. Let's just keep driving. Now all we need to do now is just drive back to the hotel and maybe plan for what's next. You do the online orientation thing, and just get ready for what's next in this summer. Yeah, that bus, really good. So we're still at the Port Orleans, and we're still walking around. Yep, that's it for now. Coming up, it's the new Toy Story Land. Yep, there it is, right there. We're gonna visit it later on, and more after that. It's pretty strong. It's decent. Gonna love this place. Well, one way to balance your Disney fatigue is go for a walk. Yep, this is the last one of the night before we might call it for good. Well, just did a lot of walking and all things in between, you know. Now we're just going to go for a nice, refreshing walk next to the lake. Yeah, and that's all there's to say for now. Yeah. Jeez, I think we're going to studios tomorrow. I think Tower of Terror. Oh boy, 13 stories down. It's just a set of drops. Yep, and we can also there are also plenty of opportunities to have fun. Well, until the week is up, like go mini golfing, go play water sports, or maybe just chillax, go horseback riding. There's more, as you can tell, there's more to Disney than just going to theme parks. There's way more than that, and that's what makes Disney very fun and very popular as well. Yeah, walking through mirrors. Cake with raspberry. It feels like a winning combination for a lot of people. Woohoo! That was still good. This just a bit of a just had a bit of a disagreement for 1 second, but that's been resolved.